It's Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 4 Module 5 Lesson 32 homework. So let's get started. Number 1, subtract. Model with a number line or the arrow way. Alright, so A, we have 6 3/5 minus 1/5. Alright, well, a number line. Since we're subtracting, we won't go above 6 3/5. So that's going to be my n. I'll make this 6. 6 1/5. 6 2/5. And 6 3/5. And then minus 1/5. So that'll end us here at 6 2/5. Alright, now B. 4 9/12 minus 7/12. So 4 9/12. Let me make this. Wait, hold on. 4 1/12. I'm just gonna go ahead and label everything. So we start at 4 9/12. We're subtracting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That'll land us at 4 2/12. Alright. Now for C. 7 1/4 minus 3/4. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the arrow way. 7 1/4. First, I can subtract 1/4 to get us to a whole number. And if we subtract 1/4, then that's only 2/4 left to subtract. So minus 2/4, and that's easier because we know that's 6 2/4. Because that plus that makes 7, which is like whole. Alright, D. We have 8 3/8 minus 5/8. So 8 3/8. And the first two minus 3/8 to get 8. And then that's 2/8 left to subtract. And that'll give 7 6/8. Right. And number 2, use decomposition to subtract the fractions. Model with a number line or the arrow way. Alright, so what are we doing here? Well, 4 2/5 minus 4/5. First, we subtract that 2/5 to get it. Here, I'll go do it the other way. We subtract the 2/5 to get it to a whole number. And then we subtract the other 2/5 because we know that's 1 3/5. Because 1 3/5 plus 2/5 is 2. So we're still subtracting the same total, but we're just breaking it apart to subtract it easier. Okay? Alright, now, let's see. 2 1/3 minus 2/3. We gotta get to 2, so to do that, we have to subtract 1/3. And that gives 1/3 remaining. That was the only way we could break it out, 2. 2 1/3. First minus 1/3, give me to the whole number, and then subtract 1/3 again. That give me 1 2/3. Alright, C. 4 1/6 minus 4/6. So we have to get it to a 4. So 1/6 and 3/6. 4 1/6. Subtract 1/6. That's 4. And then subtract 3/6. That's 3 3/6. Alright, now D. 3 and 3/6 minus 5/6. Get that to a 3, so that's 3/6 and 2/6. Minus 3/6 is 3. And then minus 2/6 is 2 and 4/6. Alright, next page. Alright, still continuing the same idea. We have 9 3/8 minus 7/8. Remember, gotta get it to 9, so 3/8 and 4/8. 9 and 3/8 minus 3/8. That's 9. And then minus 4/8 would be 8, and 4/8 plus 4/8 would be a whole. So 8 and 4/8. Now F, 1/10, so we have to subtract 1/10, and that gives us 5/10. 7 1/10, subtract 1/10 to get to 7, subtract 5/10 to get 6 and 5/10. Alright, G, 10 and 1/8 minus 5/8. That 1/8 and 4/8. 10 and 1/8 minus 1/8, that's 10. And then minus 4/8, that's 9 and 4/8. Alright, now for H, 9 and 4/12 minus 7/12. 4/12 and 3/12. 9 and 4/12 minus 4/12. That's 9. And then minus 3. It's 8 and 9/12. Alright, I. 11 3/5 minus 4/5. So we gotta get to 11, so subtract 3/5. Minus 3/5 is 11. And then minus 1/5, that's 10 and 4/5. Now J, 1/9 and 4/9. 17 and 1/9. Minus 1/9. 17. Then minus 4/9 is 16 and 5/9. Alright. Now, number 3, decompose total to subtractive fractions. Alright, this one's a little bit confusing, but you guys will get the hang of it, I promise. A, we have 4 and 1/8 minus 3/8. So, first they split apart 4 and 1/8, and they want to, subtract 1, which is 3 and 1/8. And, of course, you have to add back that 1 to get to the total, because that's the number bond. So, 3 and 1/8, so they're taking away 1, so that's 3 and 1/8, plus 5/8, because since they're taking away 1, they have to add back the amount they took away, because they took away too much. So, plus 5/8 comes from the 3/8, because 3/8 plus 5/8 is a whole. So you add it together to get 3 and 6/8. Alright, it's a little confusing, but get the hang of it. 5 and 2/5 minus 3/5. We're going to subtract 1, which is 4 and 2/5. And that'll be 1 left over. So now our 4 and 2/5 plus what plus 3/5 makes a whole? 2/5. So you're going to add that 2/5 in to get 4 and 4/5. Alright, let's do C now. 7 and 1/8 minus 3/8. Remember to subtract 1. And then now that's 1 here. 6 1/8. Now we add what plus 3/8 makes a whole? 5/8. So we add that 5/8. And we get 6 6/8. Now D, 3 3/9 minus 4/9. Subtract 1, 2 3/9. That's 1 here. So 2 3/9 plus 5/9, because 4/9 plus 5/9 is a whole. That makes 2 8/9. Alright, now for E, 6 3/10 minus 7/10. Take 1. Now it's 5 3/10 plus 3/10 because 3/10 plus 7/10 is a whole. That'll give us 3 6/10. Now F, 2 5/9 minus 8/9. Take away 1. 1 5/9 plus 1/9 to make a whole is 1 6/9. So that's our answer. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!